Hello, welcome back. How are you all doing today? I know you are doing great. For my returning viewers and subscribers, thank you for always being there. And if it's your first time coming across this channel, you are welcome. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, okay? Now we are cooking coconut fried rice. I am washing the rice. I washed it for 3 times, and after which I allowed it to drain the water. So I'll go ahead in a saucepan, add groundnut oil, salt, then chopped onions, allow it to fry for 2 to 3 minutes, then added my chopped fresh tomatoes and bell peppers, green and red. So I fried it for about 2 minutes, and then I added in the washed rice, and I gave it a stir like this to fry a bit, whereby everything mixed properly. After that, I will go ahead and add the coconut milk, after which I'll be adding in some spices like thyme and seasoning cubes. Then I'll allow it to cook properly while I add the spices, everything I taste to know if it is okay, and then I do the adjustment. After that, I'll be covering it and allow it to cook. When it is almost cooked, I'll add my crayfish. The coconut fried rice don't need to be too soft, so don't worry. Even if it's still a bit strong, don't worry, by the time you mixing, everything will be completely cooked with salt. So in a pan, once the coconut rice is ready, I prepared the pan and I fried my veggies. First from the oil, then the chopped onions. I added in the rest of the veggies, carrots, green bell pepper and maize. Give it a nice stir, fry it very well, and when it is done, I separated it. I shared it into 2. After that, I added just a spoon of butter, and then I started to mix the rice. This recipe is very delicious, and trust me, you're gonna like it. So after frying, and I saw that everything is properly mixed, then voila, the coconut rice is ready. Delicious and yummy. I enjoy